हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज मैं लेकर आया हूं आपके लिए प्रैक्टिस सेट 1.1 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, सब क्वेश्चन 6, 7 एंड 8। दिस इज लेक्चर नंबर 5। तो अगर आपने लेक्चर नंबर 4 नहीं देखा है तो यू वॉच द वीडियो ऑफ लेक्चर नंबर 4 एंड देन यू वॉच द वीडियो ऑफ लेक्चर नंबर 5। ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ हियर we have to solve the following simultaneous equation. So this is the 6th, 7th and 8th questions are remaining from question number 2. Now let us solve. So we start the solution. Sixth one. So what is first equation? That is 1 upon 3x. 1 upon 3x plus y, and this is equal to 10 divided by 3. Okay, this is equation number 1. What is equation number 2? This is 2x. Okay, 2x plus 1 upon 4y, and this is equal to 11 by 4. So this is equation number 2. So this is equation question number 6 solution. Question number 6. Okay. So what is first equation? That is 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to 10 upon 3, and second equation is 2x plus 1 by 4y is equal to 11 by 4. This is equation number 2. Students, here you will multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 4. Multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 4. Okay students, you are going to multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 4. Why? Because in denominator, here in the first term, in the denominator 3 is there and equal side again in the denominator 3 is there. So when you will multiply this equation 1 by 3, so this 3 and this 3 will cancel out. Similarly for the second equation, if you will multiply equation 2 by 4, so this 4 and this 4 will cancel out. Okay, so therefore we are going to multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 4. So multiply 3 multiply by 1 upon 3x plus 3 multiply by y, and this is equal to 3 multiply by 10 upon 3. Now simply you can cancel out this 3 and this 3, and here this 3 and this 3 will cancel out. So what you will get, 1x plus 3y is equal to 10. This will be equation number 3. Similarly, when you will multiply equation 2 by 4, so this 4 and this 4 will cancel out. So multiply equation 2 by 4. So 4 multiply by 2x plus 4 multiply by 1 by 4 y is equal to 4 multiply by 11 by 4. Again here what will cancel out? This 4 and this 4 will cancel out, and here this 4 and this 4 will cancel out. So what you will get? 4 2s are 8x plus 1y is equal to 11. This will be equation number 4. Now we will solve equation number 3 and equation number 4. So equation number 3 is x plus 3y is equal to 10, and equation number 4 is 8x plus y is equal to 11. Now student, you will decide which variable you want to cancel out, and then you will make their coefficient equal. And if they are having same sign, so you are going to subtract. If they are having opposite sign, then you are going to add. So here I am going to eliminate y variable. So I will check the coefficient of y variable in equation 3 and 4. So here coefficient is 3 and here coefficient of y is 1. So I am going to multiply this equation 4 by 3. So I will write here multiply equation 3 by 4. So when we multiply equation 4 by 3, so what you will get? You will get 24x 24x. So 8 3s are 24x plus 3y, and this is equal to 11 3s are 33. This will be equation number 5. So now you see equation number 3 and equation number 5. So in equation 3 and 5, you are having plus 3y, and here also plus 3y. Means y, the variable y having same coefficient and same sign, so you are going to subtract equation 3 and 5. So I will write subtracting equation 3 and equation 5, we get. So what is equation 3? Equation 3 is x plus 3y is equal to 10. X plus 3y is equal to 10, and equation number 5 is 24x plus 3y is equal to 33. So while subtraction, all the sign will change. So this plus becomes minus, this plus becomes minus, this plus becomes minus. So plus 3y minus 3y will cancel out. This will be minus 24x plus 1x minus 23x, and this is equal to what? Plus 10 minus 33, this will be minus 23. And therefore, x will be equal to what? Minus 23 divided by minus 23. So this will be what? Same divided by same. Therefore, you will get x is equal to plus 1. Clear? You will get x is equal to plus 1. Now you will put x is equal to 1 in equation 3, and we get, what is equation 3? Equation 3 is x plus 3y is equal to 10. So you will write x plus 3y is equal to 10. What is x? X is 1. So 1 plus 3y is equal to 10. Therefore 3y is equal to 10. And thus you will transfer this plus 1 to right hand side. So this will be minus 1. So which is equal to 10 minus 1 is 9. So what will be value of y then? Y is equal to 9 upon 3. Okay. As therefore 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So y is equal to 3. So what is the value of x? X is 1 and y is 3. Okay, student. So you will write the answer. Solution is, that is x comma y, which is equal to, what is x? X is 1, and what is y? Y is 3. Okay, student. So this is the solution of our linear equation in two variables, 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to 10 by 3, and 2x plus 1 upon 4y is equal to 11 by 4. Okay, student. So this is the answer. Okay. So write down, then we'll see the next question.